In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shop logo on Etsy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your brand looks polished and consistent across your shop. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. This ensures you're starting clean and won't be redirected by old tabs or cached pages. In the search results, click the official Etsy link to head to the home page. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your shop account. Logging in first helps the site load your seller tools right away and keeps the next step smooth. Once you're in, open your account menu and choose Account Settings. From there, navigate to your Shop Manager. Depending on your device or screen size, you might see Shop Manager at the top or in a sidebar. That's the hub for all your shop edits, including your visuals. If the layout looks a little different, don't worry. Etsy updates its interface from time to time. The labels we mentioned will still be there. Inside Shop Manager, look to the left sidebar for the Sales Channels section. Next to your shop name, you'll see a small pencil icon. Click that pencil to begin editing your shop details. This is the place where you control how your shop appears to visitors, so it's the right doorway to your logo. Now, find the circular shop icon area next to your shop name. Hover over it, and you should see a camera icon or a plus symbol appear. Click that. This opens the uploader where you can select a new image. If you already have a logo in place, this is also how you replace it with an updated version. Choose your new logo from your computer. For the best results, use a square image that's at least 500 by 500 pixels. Larger is fine, as Etsy will scale it down. Aim for a clear, high-resolution file so edges look crisp. Keep important elements centered, leave a little padding around the edges, and use strong contrast so your logo reads clearly on both light and dark backgrounds. A PNG often preserves sharpness and transparency well, but JPEGs can work too if optimized. After you've selected the file, make sure to click Save or Choose at the bottom to apply the update. Give it a moment to process. Sometimes the change takes a few seconds to appear. When it's done, your new logo will be live on your shop, giving your storefront a cohesive, professional look. And that's all you need to refresh your Etsy shop logo.